Who?
Malay?
Okay, you're Malaysian?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So let's play. Do we squad?
Alright.
Okay.
Can leave it.
Levik is not downloaded for me. I mean, I'm not downloaded that map.
I see.
Okay, just whatever you say. But maps are not downloaded.
Alright.
You're a salter or a camper?
What?
You play rush or you just play smooth and steady?
Steady. Steady.
Okay.
Just save ourselves. Don't find the trouble.
Oh, so okay.
Want to play?
Let's play then graffiti items.
Mm-mm.
Do we squad?
Squad, okay.
You have any friends online? I'm sorry.
What?
Wait. क्या यार मलेशियन कुड़ी मिली. चलो देखते गेम कैसे जाता है. आई होप इसमें मज़ा आएगा. भाई लोग, तुम्हारी भाभी आई है मलेशिया से. जो चलो देखते हैं इस गेम में क्या कर पाते हैं हम लोग. माय टेस्ट. हेलो. You hear me? सही है यार, ऐसे दो चार दोस्त और मिल जाए ना तो इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव हो जाए अपनी. वैसे भी इंग्लिश में हमारा हाथ तंग है. सुधा उस टाइम पे तो आ नहीं रहा था यार. हेलो साइशा.
What?
Nothing actually, I'm just testing my mic is working or not. Okay, we are going to Milta Power. We will loot and play slow and steady. We will take mid-range fight because I'm having high pings and my game is like so much lag.
Your English is so good.
Really? That means your is not good.
Yeah, I'm guessing.
वैसे अपनी भी टूटी फूटी है यार. इनफैक्ट आई एम नॉट फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश, but maybe it will work a little bit, right?
Where you want to go?
Okay, we will just try to coordinate by the what we say messages we are here.
Adesso.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. By the way, we were playing before. We've been playing before.
What? Yes.
Okay, I don't remember. How was my game that time? Maybe worst.
I don't know.
Okay, so you also don't remember.
What number?
Not number, remember.
Remember.
Okay, it's okay, just okay. You can take some guys out in the game, right? I mean, it is really easy to beat someone in the game. Is that so? इसे इसे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है यार, मुझे भी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. You want AKM?
이곳에 아이템이 있어. Okay, good. Just play this one.
Okay, what you speak in Malaysia? The language you are speaking, what you call that? Malaysian.
Yeah, bahasa Melayu.
Okay. Guys, किसी को पता चले तो मुझे ज़रूर बताना. I thought you are a YouTuber.
Oh, I'm not.
Really?
I have it, but I'm not a YouTuber.
Oh, I thought so, but I saw you. I mean, I'm getting remember a game I was playing with you and your friends, and we were playing in Livik only, and
Yeah.
and you were like killed in. I mean, about 8-9 peoples you have been killed in that game.
Oh. Not me. I see not me. My family.
Okay, so you play with your family.
Friends. My
Friends.
family with my siblings. Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
How do you like this game? Very good or just? I mean,
I like just for fun.
yeah, just for fun. The game is good actually, but we are only having problem with the ping and the lag problems in our phone or our, I mean, not better
I-
connectivity, internet connectivity.
I don't use any laptop that I am on.
Okay, tell me if you need something.
Right.
Here's a scarf.
이곳에 아이템이 있어. Sorry, do you have?
What? I didn't get you.
How can you find me the bullet that orange color?
ऑरेंज कलर बुलेट. ऑरेंज कलर बुलेट कौन सी होती है भाई, कोई बताएगा मुझे? ऑरेंज. ओके, यू वांट 9mm ammos. This one.
이곳에 아이템이 있어. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You do one thing, take the gun in your hand and ask for the ammos like this.
탄약이 필요해.
Okay?
Okay.
How long it's been playing PUBG for you? From which season?
I
newbie.
Okay, newbie.
February, last February this year.
Right. I'm also a newbie actually with this ID. Before I was playing from season 17 and I have Royal Pass and so many things in that ID, but my bad luck, that ID has gone banned just because I'm trying to help my friend pushing his rank. Come here and get this.
이곳에 아이템이 있어.
Okay.
Okay, you want this?
이곳에 아이템이 있어.
I know it's your favorite.
Let me see. Oh no,
No?
I don't know how to use it. No,
Really? You don't know how to use it? Okay, just do me a favor. Come here and pick it up. I will tell you how to use it. Actually, I love the Scorpion, and that's why I'm having Scorpion. I'm not picking up this flare gun.
이곳에
What's your favorite
아이템이 있어.
weapon?
M4.
And
7. M4.
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 Okay, then have it. Have it. Have it. I'm having.
Oh, I got star.
Else I will take. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to the safe zone, and we will use our flare gun.
Okay.
You have loot.
Yeah. I got what I need.
दिखा ही दिया यार इसने तो. Okay, let's find a vehicle if we could. I think AWM is your favorite weapon, maybe. Yeah?
It's okay. I can use anything.
You like to snipe?
It's a sniper. I hate it.
Okay. I'm also love sniping, but nowadays I'm not having my good charms with me. Give me a sec. Take a booster. Oh shit, my bad. Just boost yourself, okay? You have the power and the ability to heal up yourself. यार ये बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है यार इस उम्र में नई लैंग्वेज. नो डाउट मुझे नई नई लैंग्वेज सीखने का बड़ा शौक़ है, पर मैंने मलेशियन के बारे में तो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, सीरियसली स्पीकिंग. मतलब मैंने रशियन की ट्राई, लर्निंग का बता रहा हूँ. मैंने रशियन की, मैंने यार वो कौन सी भाषा होती है उसमें मरहबा बोलते हैं. इन शॉर्ट मैंने कई सारी लैंग्वेज सीखी, बट रशियन के बारे में मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा. I can't hear you properly. I'm having a lot of sound of this car, so just take a break. लगता है नेक्स्ट जोन में फ्लेयर मारनी पड़ेगी. पास ही बन जा भाई साहब, इतना दूर हद होती है. शिट यार, कहाँ पे मारे भैया फ्लेयर हम, जहाँ बंदे ना आए। वाटर सिटी ही चलते हैं। बंदे बंदे बंदे, नो 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 नो। शिट, पेट्रोल भी खत्म हो रहा है भाई साहब, फट गए हम। क्या हुआ? हद है भाई साहब, कितना गंदा लैग। छी, शिट, माय बैड।